Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have an icon in the DOM, so start by identifying its type. Font icon, inline SVG, or image. Add a clear CSS selector for that element, and set a base font size or root M so scaling is predictable. Once done, use font size for icon fonts and width/height for SVG or IMG. You do this now to avoid back and forth later. It ensures the properties you add next will behave consistently across breakpoints and devices. Now apply the exact CSS rules that change visual size. For font icons, increase font size and tweak line height and vertical align to keep alignment. For inline SVG, use width and height attributes or transform. Scale for smoother transitions. If the icon is an IMG, set width and height in CSS and use object fit to preserve aspect ratio. Make sure to use rem or px where consistent sizing matters, and use max width to prevent Finish by making the size responsive. Add media queries or CSS clamp to scale between min and max values. Once everything is applied, inspect computed styles in DevTools to confirm your width/height or font size is winning over inherited rules. If icons look offset or clipped, make sure display is inline block or block, adjust line height, and tweak vertical align or overflow. If problems persist, clear caches and recheck specificity. This usually reveals the stray rule causing your issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.